Alright guys, this is Bank Nifty and 5-minute chart. Today there are no buy opportunity for me. So basically we was looking for buy after giving a pullback somewhere here. Alright, this is called breakout of structure and it's a demand zone. Price hold in the same area, so there are no buy opportunity. So tomorrow definitely I'm going to take buy position only. If price stay above 43,000, all right, so I'm looking for buy only. If price break this 43,000, so definitely I'll be a seller. All right, so above 43,000, this area, I'm a buyer. All right, so price pullback, if I get any confirmation, so I'll buy it up to this 43,000 level. All right, once break this level, so I'll be seller. Right, I'll use some price action method. So according to this session, so here you can see very small session today. All right, so tomorrow we are expecting that price may give a big run. All right, so basically I'm focusing on a buy side only. So if price break, if pull back this session rejection, so definitely we'll go for buy. Or if price say a session lower point rejection, we'll buy it. And if price break near structure, we'll buy it. If price reject this demand zone, we'll buy it. So everywhere. All right, so once break this level, we are looking for short only in a downside. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.